welcome to my channel. I'm a yoga instructor and my name is Chandra Negi. Today we're going to work on our shoulder. If you have a frozen shoulder or a stiff shoulder, we're going to loosen them up and slowly with the practice we can repair it. So we can have one of the stretch bands or strap if you have it handy. So we're going to sit in a comfortable position. You can sit in Sukhasana on the floor, or you can be on the chair. So what we're going to do is we're going to work on our breath first and quiet our mind, and whatever you see, and if it's not for you, so please listen to your body. And yoga is all about practice, it's just a journey. It's not a destination, or it's not a competition. No judgment. So what we're going to do is we are going to rotate our neck in all directions. So first, chin down in the center, and then take your head back. So in the beginning we're going to take it easy, so we're just warming up, and then we're going to go left, center, right, center. Now we're going to be going a little deeper as we loosen up. So we're going to go one more time slow. Front, center, back, center, left, center, right, center. And now what we can do is we can hold one of our shoulders and our head from the other hand and give it a little stretch. You can have your eyes open or closed and feel the stretch. So just stretch to the point where you can feel comfortable, and let's do it on the other side. Okay, and then we can have one hand here, and we're going to stretch it to the right and to the center. And hold your other arm and stretch to the opposite side. And then we're going to interlace our fingers and put it behind our head and bring your chin down, applying the pressure. So you will feel the stretch on your neck, in the middle, and some part of both shoulder blades. And holding a pose will relax the muscles more. So let's do it again. Apply the pressure. I'm feeling really stretched here. I'm feeling really good. If you want to go a little deeper, then you want to press further. And then you can roll your shoulders back as many times as it feels comfortable. And then you're going to rotate our shoulder with the whole arm. So it's like your arm is loose and your shoulder is moving it. And now we're going to do it on the. Now have your hands on the back, and then just rotate your head slowly. So when you're clasping your hands in the back and you're rotating, you feel the stretch. I'm going to do like one vertebrae at a time. And then on the other side. Oh, that feels so good. And then at this time, we're going to have our hand work like a pendulum, and that's going to loosen up the muscles too. And then on this side, and now both sides. And then we could do it in the front. So changing size changes the stretch area and the muscle area. Oh. And then we can make a circle. And this is all like warming up the back muscles, and then because our body tissues are connected with each other, so whatever part of the upper body we move, it gets the stretch, the shoulders, the rotator cuff. So it's like you're cleaning the refrigerator, or outside the refrigerator, like sometimes when it gets dirt. So you're rotating, and on the other side. So now it's quite warmed up. So at this time, what I want you to do is tilt your head whatever side you choose, and the opposite arm out, and rotate it like somebody is twisting your arm. Okay. And then bring it to the center, and let's stretch the other arm. And then your right arm out, and then you're going to turn your head the opposite side, and then you will have the opposite hand on the back and nod. Look at your cockpit and up. So this hand is stretched, and it's getting the shoulder stretch and the neck stretch. It's getting this opposite shoulder a big stretch when we are nodding up and down. So now you can hold this stretch for like 30 seconds. And then let's apply the same exercise to the other hand. Your right hand goes back, your left hand arm is stretched out, and we are looking on the opposite side and nodding, looking at our cockpit or underarm. Oh, I feel the stretch on my left hand. And now if you want a deeper stretch, go down and hold it. And to relax the neck muscles, there's one trick we can do, that if we look on the right side and our neck is still stiff, we can massage our fingers. Okay, massage your fingers, especially under the thumb, because we have pressure points that help us make our body or tissues flexible. And then we're going to massage our ear lobes, from lobes to the up, the whole area. So, and then if we look, we can even look further. Even I can look back. My back was my neck was really stiff, but now I can even turn back. So that was a good trick I've learned. Let's try it on the other side. So massage your fingers, all these points, and your thumb for maybe good 15 seconds. That's good. And then 15 seconds on the ear massage, the sides of the ears where we put our earrings. And people have a reason to put the earrings all the way up to here because that has a good pressure point. It takes care of the neck muscles. And now we can stretch in and look even further on the both sides. Yep. Okay, at this time we're going to rotate our palms. Oh, this is rotating our rotator cuff and then our shoulder blade muscles. And then bring your hands to your sides and then spread and then side. Spread. And this is really good when you cannot lift your arm up. So spread to the side and push in. Stretch to the side, spread your wings and kind of like fly. Not too, if your shoulder is hurting, then not too high or not too low. Like that, not a deep fly. So you can go a little bit. And then we are going to stretch our wrist, because when you stretch your wrist and your palms and your fingers, your shoulder blades and neck muscles also get the good stretch because all these tissues are connected. So we're gonna stretch our our wrist and then our palm. So we're getting a deeper stretch. And we're going to rotate our shoulders back, up, back, down, up, back, and down. And then we're gonna do it on the opposite side, reverse it. Up, front, and down. Up, front, and down. Up, front, and down. And we can just squeeze our shoulder, bring it to the ears, and release. Squeezing is stretching the shoulder blades and the neck muscles, and release. Squeeze and release. And now we're going to bring one hand to the front and push like you're pushing something away from you, and bring it back with the same push, back, and pull. Push and pull. Now we're going to apply with both hands the pressure. Push and hold that push. I can feel the stretch and pressure on both shoulders. And pull. So pushing and pulling. It's a very good stretch. And now we're going to interlace our fingers. Come to the front of your chair. I hope it's not breaking. And stretch your chest and looking up. And release. Again. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Hold that stretch. Ah, that feels so good. And release. Now we are going to take a little twist here. So for the twist, you can use any hand on the opposite knee and turn back. If you would like, you can hold your chair and pull your chair towards your side. So you get a deeper stretch on the sides and hold this And now we're going to do on the other side. Twist back. Oh, that feels so good. And at this time, I would like you, if you have a scarf or anything, and you pull to your one side and then pull with the other hand to the other side, opposite side of the arm that is, so this arm is getting a pull. Now try to pull with this arm as much as you can to the side. And then we can do it upward, up and down, up and down. So this is very flexible, so but it's not too flexible, it's kind of rigid to the point that you can get a good stretch. And then you can even get a stretch band. And pull it as much as you can. If you want, you can have your hand inside and you pull it. Pull it and hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Release. If you have the stretch band, you can pull it, hold it, and release. So if your arm is hurting, your shoulder is hurting, then this could be a little painful. So we could do some different exercises. So every time you do something, you rotate your shoulders back and front. That feels good. Now we're going to do the cat and cow. Okay. So for the cat, you're going to round your back up and your tummy goes in. So exhaling, we do bring your chin to your chest. And then open up your chest, making a hole in the back. Rotate. Exhale. Open your chest and round your back, chin, tuck your tummy in. And try to hold each time as much as you can. Round up, tummy in. Inhale, exhale. Okay, so at this time we will rotate our arm like a wheel and the back side again. And we are going to stir the stew. So this one is again rotating our rotator cuff and shoulder muscles, and then we're going to lie on the other side. And keep breathing. And shake your arms, stretch it to the sides, stretch it to the front. And this time I'm going to show you that we're going to get some massage to our neck with our the fingertips. The massage really helps, so you can give massage to your back of the neck muscle, a little center of the shoulder blade. Okay, and if you got somebody to massage it, that's even better. So with the fingertips, we so we can massage our back where the start of the neck is with the fingertips, and I can sit on the floor and maybe that can show better. So bringing your fingertips, sliding them with a little pressure from back to the front. That really helps. We can do it with any kind of oils, hot oil, little warm, not too hot. And in the hot shower, you could do it with a little bit of oil, apply a little oil, and then slide. The fingers glide really easily, but you have to, with the fingertips, you have to put the little pressure on the tissues, and that really helps. And then do it on both sides. And you can pull your head back down and slide your fingers upward. And if you're down here, then I would say from down to upward and to the neck, all the way. And then we can apply the twist, a deeper twist while sitting on the floor, looking backward. Change leg, hold your left knee with your right hand, and look back. And if you look a little up, that gives a good stretch. And then we can also do butterfly. And whatever you're doing with your feet is connected with your neck. The tissues are like connected, so it makes your neck feel good too. And you can stretch like cat and cow sitting in butterfly pose. That really stretches my shoulder blades. And after all these exercises, of course, we deserve relaxation for about 5 minutes. So you can lie down on a pillow and have your, sometimes I use my block, put it here, and I lie down like that. So that really stretches my shoulders too. And then slowly turn, get up, and get ready for your day.